Good morning, investors. Today I'm bringing you an OTC company. These guys are getting a lot of attention right now and are currently up 70% since last Thursday. However, they are well below their 52-week high. The last time they were at this price was just before the run up to their 52-week high, so I thought I would do some research and bring you a video on them. The company we are looking at is OZOP Energy Solutions, ticker OZSC. In this video we will be looking at who the company are and what they do, the products that they develop and sell, the management team and their history, other recent additions to the team and new contracts, the company's financials, and a look at the technical chart. So before we start, I want to point out that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. All the information in this video is freely available and I encourage everyone to do their own research if thinking about investing in this company. At the time of this recording, I do not hold a position in the company. Before we get into this video, if you like the content, hit that like button. It would mean the world to me. It takes a lot of time to research these companies and make these videos, so hitting that like button would help it be seen by more people. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you never miss one of my videos that could potentially make you money. OZOP Energy Solutions was formed in 2020 from a merger between OZOP Surgical and Power Conversion Technologies. OZOP Energy invents, designs, develops, manufactures and distributes ultra-high power chargers, inverters and power supplies for a wide variety of applications in the defence, heavy industrial, aircraft ground support, maritime and other sectors, with the focus of capturing a significant share of the rapidly growing renewable energy market as a provider of the assets and infrastructure needed to store energy. OZOP's partners represent some of the largest organisations in the world, such as the US Army, the Navy, Ford, Caterpillar and General Motors. They produce such products as high current battery chargers, frequency converters, power inverters, DC power supplies and shore power solutions across such sectors as marine energy, microgrid solutions and EV energy storage. There is tons of information about their products on their website. If you're interested, have a look. The management team at OZOP consists of CEO Brian Conway and President Kathy Kiss. Brian started off in database management and sales before crossing over to Wall Street. He co-founded Waypoint Capital Partners, has overseen national sales, marketing, business and product development, and has developed new business relations with international and US companies while creating awareness for public companies from many of the nation's top public relations firms. Kathy has been working with power electronics since she was just 8. She's a qualified electrical engineer. Impressively, while working at Control Systems, she grew revenues from $400k to $32 million in less than 2 years. She founded pcti in '91. Over the past month, OZOP has added a new consulting engineer, Ian Graham. Mr. Graham brings a long record of experience in microgrid, large-scale wind, solar and battery storage. OZOP have also appointed a new Director of Operations, Ezra Green. Mr. Green has over 20 years experience in the energy market and has been CEO of several public technology companies. He's developed next-gen technologies and closed hundreds of millions of dollars in contracts and has a strong reputation for new products and new market development. Mr. Green has also several patents in wireless data communication for solar energy, autonomous guiding systems, energy sensors and charging systems. The addition of Ezra Green is seen as a big step towards developing into a global leader of supply chain solutions within the renewable energy market. With his appointment, the company expects to capture a substantial share of the emerging and maturing sectors of the market. On February 22nd, OZOP announced a strategic partnership with Grid and Energy Master Planning, a company that provides advisory, financing and implementation solutions for behind-the-meter customers in areas such as energy efficiency, solar, EV charging and power storage. OES and GEMM represent the teaming of international supply chains logistics with best-in-class local execution, the necessary solution combination for the rapidly expanding energy transition economy. Accordingly, they are pleased to announce that they will be using OES and its supply chain expertise on a $3.7 million near net zero office retrofit project. This could be seen as a major strategic alliance. And then only yesterday, OZOP was awarded with a new Navy contract. So on March 8th, the company announced that they had received an order from the US Navy for a frequency converter used for aircraft ground support to power the plane on the ground for a variety of purposes in lieu of using the engine and burning jet fuel. This contract shows that the company is actively gaining contracts with their partners. PCTI designs, develops, engineers and manufactures standard and custom power electronic solutions for industrial, military and sustainable energy sectors. The company has served the growing demand for power electronics at the highest power ranges since '91. Customers include the US military and many of the world's largest industrial manufacturers. All of its products are manufactured in the US, and its facilities have remained open throughout the COVID-19 pandemic because of its status as an essential defense-related industry. As usual with OTC companies, we are more investing in the potential of the company than its current financials, and with that brings a lot of risk, so bear that in mind if you're thinking of investing in OTC companies. As usual, there are no analysts covering. So looking at the most up-to-date financials, which is up to September 30th, we can see that their cash position has improved greatly. Prepaid assets and accounts receivable are also up. However, a major part of the company's assets is the 11 million goodwill figure. That would be very concerning. Liabilities is also up significantly from last year, but looks to be relatively in line with what could be expected. Also, revenue is far above last year's revenue, which also exceeded the previous year's revenue. As we can see here from the 3-month chart, price action has been very volatile. Going back to the start of the year, OZOP has gone from approximately 1 cent at the start of the year right up to 50 cents in February, before a long series of ups and downs before dropping as low as 8 cents on Thursday. Then on Friday it ran from 8 cents to 16, and yesterday continued that rise before hitting 20 cents and then dropping back to 17. That is massive gains, and it might not be finished yet. If there are more catalysts like the strategic alliance with GEEM or announcements of contracts with partners such as the Navy or Army, we could once again see the share price rise rapidly. However, this is all very speculative and very risky because the share price could drop drastically just as easily as it could rise drastically. One thing I find very interesting about this company is the amount of interest it has currently on StockTwits. At the time of this recording, it has over 34,000 watchers, which is insane for an OTC company. This is what originally caught my attention and made me look into OZOP. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and bell notification. As always guys, this is just my opinion, and if anyone is interested in buying into this company, I encourage you to do your own research and not just take the opinion of a guy on YouTube who makes a video. As I said before, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. OTC stocks are always risky, but can be very rewarding, and sometimes there's massive upside potential, especially with pink sheets. But there tends to be limited financial information, or at least limited audited financial information, and there's always the huge risk that stocks can go down massively. It's a high risk, high reward play. So please guys, only invest money that you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed it. What are your thoughts on the future of OZOP? Leave a comment down below, I'm genuinely interested to hear what you think. See you in the next one.